Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. I'm here to send you guys a little update today. Before I do my live stream, I wanted to get you guys updated with Bitcoin and Ethereum because a lot of things are happening. It's really moving fast, and I wanted to get this information out there as quick as possible. So if you like that, right, sit down and watch the whole show. Hit the like, subscribe, bell button, and everything, and also leave a comment, of course, and help share, but help this channel by sharing this video to everyone. All right, so let's get into the price action for today. As you can see, I think Bitcoin is here drawing out what's called like we can make this thing a little bit bigger, drawing out what's a descending um, broadening wedge here, basically. So we can see that the broadening wedge is probably going to be playing out shortly. So we might basically bounce around here and then touch this point before we actually go down. But if we break this, we could end up back above around the $35,000 area, probably around this resistance area, because this makes the most sense. Now, notice something very interesting with this chart, because I left it as it was before. Because we talked about in the last video, the last few videos, that hey, this Bitcoin is going to stop right about here. This is a liquidity event, and there you saw it broke and bounced up, right? Broke down to here, bounced up a little bit, but then broke down, and it had some resistance, and it came back up, tested it, right, and then broke down, and then of course this is the final liquidity event where okay, the buyers like said, okay, that's cheap. I'm gonna pick that up. I'm gonna get that. I like that at this price. And then it bounced heavily. So Bitcoin probably has to retest this area. And look, actually, you know what? I think this counts as the retest. So if we zoom in here, we can see that this point right here, this candle body that went down here, this green candle, oh I'm sorry, wick that came down here, I think this counts as a retest because this is the zone where, hey, you know what, the buyers are like, this is cheap and I'm ready to buy this. So now they've bounced up. So probably what's going to happen here is if we zoom out, right, let me just get out of here and draw out here. You can see that what could form up really quickly is a W. Not the greatest on the on the hourly, but that's what seems to be happening. We go to probably to the 15-minute because this is when the markets move fast, move this much, price action is going to be very volatile and move in an up and down direction very fast and very rapidly. So as you can see, we're probably going to break this this level here where I've marked, and then once we do that, that's it. We're headed a little bit higher, probably to the $34,000 mark as the next target for resistance before we see a rollover. Now, this also means that we'll probably might see it come up to the bottom of this this long-term trend line here, and then slide around it and to get to 35,000, and then we're probably going to head all the way back down. All right, so that's my analysis for that. If you want to trade that, of course, right, it's really simple. You just play the W's, right, and away you go. The W's are clear, right? Once the W's are clear, right, you can go on a lower time frame, right, higher time frame, and play those W's, and then you take them when they break out, of course, right? Let's take a look and see what the target is of this W. You can see it's a little bit higher than where I think the resistance level is. So we might not get all the way up to this $35,500 level. If we do, right, that would be definitely the top before we roll over once again. So if we do break out, of course, there is a point where this thing becomes fast move, failed move, because fast move in the opposite direction. Should this thing break above 38,000, then we could see this thing move a lot higher. Alrighty, let's quickly head over to Ethereum and then we'll end it for today. Looking to get into a trade, but you know what, I don't think I'm going to be getting that trade. We bounced off the 61.8 with the candle bodies. We did to come back down a little bit further than almost to the 78.6, but effectively the 61.8 was touched from the top here to this bottom here. And you know, Mountain Man, he always gets paid, so that's the way it is. The guy who Mountain Man is a trader that I heard of that always hits the 61.8, and he's like, whenever you see the 61.8, I always think, man, Mountain Man is getting paid. So yeah, I think he probably had his trade right here to the 61.8 to the 78.6, and yeah, he's taking it to 2 to 1, which is approximately to 12,000 through $1,300. All right, so let's zoom in on that, see if that's a possibility on the lower time frames. So on the lower time frames, on the 4 hour, there's not much information here. I could say that for certain that this is going to turn around. So I'm going to go down to hourly. Going to the hourly, it looks exactly like Bitcoin. It's about to pop and go a little bit higher, probably all the way up to. Let's see if this thing makes it to $1,300 mark. Yes, approximately $1,300 is where this thing wants to take it to. So there you go. You have that trade ready to go, ready to rock. Right? Just remember your stop losses. This thing could reverse on you, and you have to accept the losses should that happen. Okay, alrighty. So that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed my quick update. I didn't do it in my studio because I didn't want to wait to Nana because it's in my studios. I have like two. Nana is a maid. I have two living maid rooms. Basically, I have 2 rooms, and one of those rooms that I'm using is my studio. So yeah, so I didn't want to wake her up so early. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope everybody plays safe out there and don't play from a position of strength and do not get wrecked. All right, thanks for watching and see you. And if you are a Pandora's Wallet subscriber, right? Remember, right? We're gonna be doing a video in about an hour, right? So make sure you be a part of that too. And if you want to be a part of that, right? You can always subscribe with Pandora's Wallet. Let me just quickly mention that. Right here, you can subscribe to Pandora's Wallet right here, or you could also participate by purchasing a DJ15 token. Looks like it wants to pop too, with with Ethereum, with Bitcoin and Ethereum. So make sure you get some before it does so. Alrighty, yeah. So also remember, if you want to trade these, right? If you think you can trade this, right, with some skill, right? You just need to, like, accept the losses whenever it goes down, right? Because nothing's 100% guaranteed. You could do so at Bybit, right? By clicking the link in the description below, or typing in bybit.davincij15.com, and you can do so there. Also check out the video on how to trade on Bybit as well, a little quick tutorial, beginner's guide that's popping up. All right, cheers. I hope you enjoyed the video. Cheers.